So I'm running low on shredded office paper and newspaper, but thankfully we've just had something delivered from a very large and popular online retailer. So the plan is to shred all the packaging, so the corrugated outer and the packaging paper as well. We're going to shred that up and then we can use that as an absorbent material that we can compost through our hot bin. This is my trusty shredder. It's got a maximum shred thickness of 10 sheets of A4 paper. This was relatively inexpensive. I think I only paid about £25 for it. Conveniently, 10 sheets is also enough to fit through a piece of corrugated cardboard as well. And this shredder seems to deal with corrugated cardboard fine. Just got to tear the box into pieces about 20 centimetres wide so they'll fit through the slot in the top of the shredder. With the brown packaging paper, just flatten it out and then fold it in half along its length, and then that's thin enough to also go through the top of the slot in the shredder. That's all our shredding done. So one small box has given us about 10 litres of shreddings, enough to absorb moisture from about 20 litres of waste, or 4 5-litre kitchen caddies of waste. Another good thing, that's less recycling to go out on bin day. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel because there'll be some more videos published soon.